Hey there, students! Ever wondered how 3D imaging is changing our world? Let's dive in and break it down. So, what exactly is 3D imaging technology? Simply put, it's a way of creating a three-dimensional representation of an object by capturing it from different angles. Think of it like snapping multiple photos and then stitching them together to form a lifelike model. Cool, right? Now, let's look at how it's used. In medicine, 3D imaging helps doctors get a detailed view of your body, making surgeries safer and more precise. Imagine being able to see a tumor in 3D before operating. In entertainment, it brings movies and video games to life with stunning visuals. Ever watched a 3D movie? That's 3D imaging at work. And in engineering, it's used to design everything from buildings to cars, ensuring every detail is perfect. But how does 3D imaging actually work? It starts with capturing multiple 2D images from different angles. Think of taking a photo of an apple from all sides. Then software pieces these images together to create a 3D model. Let's break down some common techniques. First, there's stereoscopy. This uses two cameras to mimic human binocular vision, creating depth perception. Next, laser scanning. A laser beam scans the object, measuring distances to generate a 3D model. Finally, photogrammetry. This method uses lots of photos taken from different angles and clever software to reconstruct the object in 3D. So why is 3D imaging so revolutionary? It's paving the way for groundbreaking innovations. In medicine, it's improving diagnostics and patient care. In entertainment, it's making our favorite movies and games more immersive. And in engineering, it's helping design safer, more efficient structures and products. In short, 3D imaging is transforming industries and opening up endless possibilities for the future. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be part of the next big breakthrough in 3D technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.